Castor oil is a versatile vegetable oil derived from the seeds of the castor bean plant. Known for its distinct, thick, sticky consistency, it has been used for centuries for a range of purposes, from medicinal to industrial applications. Castor oil is used as a laxative in the treatment of constipation and for its potential anti-inflammatory and pain relief benefits. It is also applied to wounds and skin conditions due to its antimicrobial properties. Castor oil is often praised for its potential to promote hair growth, and it has been used for centuries for this purpose. Let's delve deeper into the details. Nutritional components. Ricinoleic acid, a unique fatty acid, makes up about 90% of castor oil. It has anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, which may contribute to a healthier scalp environment. It also potentially increases blood circulation to the scalp, which could support hair growth. Omega-6 fatty acids, essential fatty acids, are vital for skin health and can help maintain the scalp's moisture balance. They might help in reducing dryness and flakiness that can inhibit hair growth. Vitamin E, an antioxidant that helps combat oxidative stress on the hair follicles. It also has moisturizing properties which can prevent dryness and brittleness. Mechanism of action. A healthy scalp is crucial for optimal hair growth. Castor oil's moisturizing effect can help improve the scalp's overall condition, potentially reducing issues like dryness, itchiness, and dandruff. The ricinoleic acid in castor oil may enhance blood flow to the scalp. Increased circulation can mean better delivery of nutrients to hair follicles, which is essential for hair growth. Application methods. Apply a small amount of castor oil to the scalp and massage it. This can stimulate the scalp and improve blood circulation. Leave it on for a few hours or overnight, then wash it out with a gentle shampoo. Mix with other oils. Castor oil is quite thick and can be mixed with lighter oils like coconut oil or almond oil to make it easier to apply and reduce its sticky texture. Scientific evidence. Although there are numerous anecdotal reports of castor oil promoting hair growth, scientific studies are limited. A few studies suggest some benefits, but more research is needed to conclusively determine its effectiveness. Hair growth studies. Some studies have looked at the effects of ricinoleic acid and other components in castor oil on hair growth, but results have been mixed and not always robust. Other considerations. Regular use is often recommended to see any potential benefits. Results can vary from person to person, and it may take several weeks to months to notice significant changes. Holistic approach. For optimal hair growth, castor oil should be part of a comprehensive hair care routine that includes a balanced diet, proper hydration, and other hair-friendly practices. In summary, while castor oil has properties that could theoretically support hair health and growth, results can be variable, and it's best used alongside other hair care methods.